Because the greatest disease, he said, ridrogam. So it says, ridrogam, kamam ridrogam. So there's no greater disease of the conditioned soul than desire. Because we can desire, if Krishna gives us a desire, we can, if Krishna gives us, or the Guru gives us, if Krishna gives us, or the Guru gives us the desire to serve, then we desire to serve Krishna. Because without the contact and the blessings of Guru and Krishna, we don't have the desire to serve Krishna in us. We have the potential, but not the desire. It's like dry grass can burn, but it'll never burn. It has potential to burn unless a match is added. So there's potential of every jiva to serve. That's his sarup. That's called his constitutional sarup lakshana. Means the essential primary characteristic of the jiva is a tendency, the form of seva is minutely part of his existence. But without the catalyst of Krishna's mercy or the catalyst of Guru, the touch of that, no success. So therefore, if we don't have the touch of bhakti from Guru Krishna, then we have automatically millions of material desires. So this is the greatest disease of every conditioned soul, is desires to enjoy my body. I want to enjoy this world and these people and my body. So that is accepted as the greatest disease. So a great disease requires a powerful medicine, but you have to be strong enough to bear it. Jiva Goswami says in Bhakti Sandarbha that if one is reading about Krishna's intimate lilas, like Ras Lila, or Krishna puts his hand on it, it's right in the Sanskrit, Krishna puts his arm on the gopi's shoulder, sometime he touches their cheek, or he touches their breast, or he touches their thighs. This is very, very intimate things going on. And so many ideas can be understood between the lines. So he said if someone becomes sexually agitated, what he uses, the term he uses, Purusha Vikara. Vikara means transformation, changes, movements, disturbance, and Purusha means the enjoyer. So it's generally translated by translators in English, male transformations. But it could be also a woman. And generally, traditionally or historically, it appears that way. Maybe I'm wrong. But it appears that all the Shastras are primarily composed by men and generally intended more for men. Like we generally think of yoga and all the Shastras and difficult austerities of yoga, that a woman by constitution would not be possible to do all those kind of austerities. So they say Purusha Vikara means male transformations. In other words, one becomes sexually agitated or disturbed by reading about Krishna's conjugal pastimes with Radharani and the gopis. So in some commentators, they say in this verse, or when they speak on this, they say that may be someone's condition, and then I forget who said it exactly, because it's of course in Bhakti Sandarbha. But some commentator, acharya, whatever, maybe contemporary, said if that happens to such a person, then we can only lament how unfortunate that he can't take this great medicine. So sometimes everyone has the same disease. Like two people have the same disease. One guy goes to the Ayurvedic doctor and he gives him rasayana. And he gets cured maybe a long time, or usually they're very, very powerful. So they get cured pretty soon. So then his friend says, oh, you have the same disease as I, and you're taking that medicine. I've been taking allopathic, let me go. So then he goes to the doctor and says, I'm sorry, I can't give this medicine to you because it will not suit you. You're too old, or whatever, you have liver dysfunction, some difference there, some bed. Everything's individual. So this is, so I would say, we say male transformations, but of course it's possible ladies also. Ladies and men are both subject to agitation from the opposite sex agitation. So but this is the power of the medicine.